how our brain works and how it stores information. Billions of bits of data enter in your brain, and the reticular activating system sorts them into important and unimportant. The important data ends up in the hippocampus. While it's there, it's just a short-term memory. Sometimes it will just flicker out there, and sometimes it will get sent to other parts of the brain, where it might get into the long-term memory. If it's the kind of memory that might get sent to other parts of the brain, the first place it goes is the amygdala. The amygdala mostly focuses on emotion. If there is emotion associated with a potential memory, you get its attention. Then there is the hypothalamus, which produces a lot of your brain juices, the chemicals that affect your mood, energy levels, all that stuff. If it sees an incentive, it will release a bunch of dopamine, the feel-good drug. Another source of brain juices, brain chemicals, is the pineal gland. It produces melatonin and serotonin. Melatonin makes you tired and helps you fall asleep. When you are asleep, your brain processes all the information received during the day. If you turn on the lights after you fall asleep, you turn off that processing. The other drug, serotonin, the wonder drug. It does so many things in the brain. It makes you happy, helps your brain to send its signals around, and it helps keep you calm. Next, you have the left and right brain. The left brain loves structure, maths, technical things, and analysis. The right brain is spontaneous and creative. Your memory is at its best when they are working together. All those parts of the brain help build neural pathways, which are like the roads your brain passes signals along, including long-term memory. When you learn new things, your brain builds new roads. The more the roads get used, for example, the more you recall a particular memory, the bigger and stronger the roads get, and the faster the information travels along them. By the same logic, the longer you go without using a road, the weaker and smaller it gets. If you leave a road for long enough, it might even disappear. The one in charge of all this is the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe takes care of the long-term memory, as well as vision, dreaming, spatial awareness, and strategic planning. How do you put it all together? You excite the amygdala. You get some good brain juices, brain chemicals from your hypothalamus and pineal gland. You get the left and right brain to work together. In the end, the purpose behind any memory technique is to help you transfer information from the short-term memory to the long-term memory. Any reliable memory technique is designed to get all those parts of your brain working in a synergy. Alright, thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next lesson.